Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to make mug pasta in just 2 minutes. Add macaronis in a mug. Top it with some mayonnaise, some ketchup, capsicum, chili flakes, any instant noodles masala, milk, and put it in the microwave for 40 seconds. After 40 seconds, give it a good mix. And that's it. Your instant macaroni is ready. This tastes so good. Let us know in the comments down below how much do you like this recipe.